I am so excited. You guys have no idea how much this plaque means to me. I've been sitting on this. It's been in my house and I've been waiting to open it. But since I told you guys I was gonna be making an unboxing video, I've literally had this sitting on my countertop, waiting and getting the energy to get myself to make this video, to unbox this amazing, amazing accomplishment. This has literally been a goal of mine for like 3 years now. I have jokingly tell people like this plaque means more to me than some of my diplomas. Like this community that we've established together, like it means the world to me. So I'm going to unbox this play button because this isn't an accomplishment that I have achieved. It's an accomplishment that we've achieved as a channel. I love you guys so much. This channel has been like a dream of mine for years. And now that we've hit 100,000 subscribers plus, it's awesome. I'm so grateful for our family and our community. So let's unbox this bad boy. Camera shift. All right, let's do it. Aw, shoot. We'll read this in a sec. Oh man. Braces explained, baby. Here it is. Here is the play button. Let's take a look at it, and I want to read the letter that's in there because it means a lot, okay? Presented to Braces Explained for passing 100,000 subscribers. All right, so let's look at that letter because this was actually pretty cool, okay? It's saying, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th subscriber, your 1000th subscriber? And it says after this, chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. So funny thing is my fiance actually was my 20,000th subscriber, and she didn't realize she wasn't subscribed to my channel until I was like, oh my God, I'm almost to 20,000. And she's like, oh, I never subscribed. And boom, she hit it, it was 20,000. So kind of a funny story there. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and excitement of being part of a growing community. We're thrilled to see the developments of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the silver creator button. It goes on and on and on, but honestly, guys, I just, again, want to say thank you so much and say thank you. Like, this means a ton to me, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you've been here since the beginning in 2017, 2018, or just joined a week ago, you guys are all my family. And again, thank you so much. I just want to come on here and make a video just appreciating you guys and appreciating this. This will be on the wall soon, and I can't wait to show everybody about it. So thank you again, guys. Much love. Dr. Greg, out.